Happy New Year. We're in the garage for the first time in 2021. Raul TV back at you again. Another year has started, another lockdown 3.0, and what can we do? We can't do nothing about it. We just have to soldier on. You guys out there with COVID-19, this is an ongoing theme. I'm always mentioning you guys out there with COVID-19 and everything. Stay safe, stay home, stay safe. Hopefully we get through this. Vaccine, everything coming your way. Let's do it. Right, what I'm doing today is I've got a Ford Galaxy 2005 Ford Galaxy, and I'm going to replace the wheel speed sensor, which is the ABS sensor. The front one, I'm going to replace the front one. It's on the driver's side, exactly same on the passenger side front. The back ones are slightly different. So without further ado, let's go, let's do it. Okay, first things first, I'm going to take the wheel off, and then we'll go from there. Basically, to take the wheel off, take the wheel trim off, and it's only 17mm or 19mm bolts. Take them off, take the wheel off. Alright, there's the ABS sensor. The reason why I'm changing the ABS sensor, the wheel speed sensor, is because on the diagnostic machine it said the the wheel speed sensor faulty. Mechanical fault, and it says impossible as well. So what you have to check is if the wire is all intact, everything. If the wire and everything's okay, we go ahead and check the ABS ring. So if I take the camera down this way, there you go, you can just about make it out there. ABS ring on the CV joint. Make sure you check that as well, see if that's damaged. If that's damaged, that's your problem. On this one I've already checked it, that's not damaged at all. So I'm going to go ahead, I've checked the wire as well, the wire is okay as well. So I'm going to go ahead and change the ABS sensor. Right, so to take it off, not rocket science. Right, I'm going to be straight up honest with you guys, because this bolt here was really tight, rusty and everything, okay? It was a Torx 30. Okay, couldn't get a Torx 30 on it. Tried knocking a socket over it, wouldn't come off. Then at the end what I had to do is a chisel, hammer and a chisel, just chiseled it off. That's all loose now. If I can just get some pliers on that, as you can see that it's moving. Get some pliers on that and just twist that off, and we'll get to the ABS sensor. That bolt is off. Okay, what you could go ahead and do is just take the wiring plug off there. We'll just get a flat screwdriver, flick that off. That should come straight off. Then what we're going to do is I'm going to get some oil all the way around this, because this is absolutely seized solid. It's absolutely seized solid. Can't even move it at all. I mean, if it's damaged, you can go ahead and try breaking it off and everything, but if you take it off nice and easy, it'll save you a lot of hassle. Okay, what I'm going to do is get some oil around it, get a flat screwdriver, give it a little pry. Hopefully it should come straight off. The thing is, if you can't hear me properly, I'm sorry. I'm trying my best, I'm trying to scream and shout and everything so you can hear me. It's because of that bad boy behind me. The heater behind me. We need the heater, obviously. It's freezing. So if you can't hear me properly, subtitles, check it out. So what we do now is I'm trying to pry it off. So basically, as you can see, it's got some movement there. Give it some prying. A little bit on this side. If you get two screwdrivers, one on this side or one on this side, we'll go ahead and put the camera down and do that. Two screwdrivers on either side, flat screwdrivers. Be patient with it. That should come straight off. It is moving. Happy days. Let's do it. Thank God for that. Just going to go ahead and flick this one off from here. All you do is little fat screwdriver, flick it downwards. Try and do this with one hand, not the easiest. There we go. That comes off. And all we do now is, there's two types of sensor on these Galaxies. We have to measure the length of the wire, and I'm going to order a new one. Let's refit it. So there we have it. There's a brand new one, brand new ABS sensor. I'm going to fit it in reverse order. Put that bolt back on, put the plug back on, and that's it. The job done. The thing is, eagle-eyed viewers out there will notice that I've got two plugs on this one here and one here. On my original one, I just had the one plug, the ABS sensor plug, because the reason why I've got two plugs on it, here and here, is because the one that they sent me is 2 for 1 basically. Happy days, Christmas has come early, 2 for 1. It's because on some cars they have a brake pad sensor, wear indicator. This one doesn't, so you don't need to even connect it. Make sure you just tie it up, make sure it's secure, and it should be alright. Let's fit it. Reverse order. One bolt there, bang that bolt on. In there, put the plug back on there. That's it. Okay, ABS sensor is back on. I've slightly modified the bolt. I put a 10mm bolt on there, 10mm head. And yep, and what I'm going to do now with this wire, obviously the brake pad sensor wire, I'm just going to cable tie it onto there or something. That's all on there. Happy days. Put the wheel back on, let's try it. That's it guys, job done. Happy days. ABS light's gone off, the warning's gone off and everything. All done and dusted. So that's how we replace it. Dead easy. If the sensor comes off nice and easy, then you're in luck. If it doesn't, then obviously you've got a bit of messing about to do. Another thing I want to mention is, it's on the Galaxy. I did it on the Ford Galaxy, this one. It's exactly the same. Sorry about the noise, motorbike. It's exactly the same on the VW SHARAN, the Seat Alhambra, Ford Galaxy obviously, other VWs as well, you know, VW range, pretty much similar design. Yeah, so one bolt to take off, one switch, comes straight off. Anyway guys, I hope this video helps you guys out. If it didn't help you guys out, I'm sorry, peace and blessing, I am trying. And yeah, all I'm going to say is like, share and subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button for me, leave a comment in the comment section, and I will see you guys soon.